Welcome to use our Sanjiang Fire Alarm Control Panel System, JBQBL9116E. This system is applied in medium-large projects such as hotels, factories, commercial buildings, and residential buildings. Our video will include 3 parts. 1. Control panel keys. 2. Internal structure. 3. Installation and commissioning. 1. Control panel keys. The panel includes LCD display screen, indicator lamp, USB ports, keypad, device linkage unit control switch, device linkage unit, and manual control panel. Let's come to the first part, LCD display. You can get alarm, fault, and other information from here. And also you can read the host real-time status. It includes upper, middle, and lower 3 parts. The upper part displays fire alarm information. The middle part displays the linkage information of horn strobe and output module. The lower part displays fault information. Please have a look at the indicator lamps area. You can see 14 indicators here. Let's introduce the first one. It is fire, and will light up in red when a fire happens. The next one is start. It will light up in red when any module needs to be linked. The next one is FDBK. It will light up in red when receive any linkage feedback from input and output module. Next one is linkage delay. It will light up in red during the delay period when a fire alarm triggers linkage and light off once the delay finished. Next one is COMM. It will blink in red when communication is normal. The next one is power. It will light up in green when the host is connected power successfully. Next is fault. It will light up in yellow when there is a fault. Next is sysfault. It will light up in yellow when the system fails or works improperly. Next is power fault. It will light up in yellow when the main power or reserve power fails. One of these 3 indicators lights up. The general fault indicator will light up also. The next one is HNS fault. It will light up in yellow when horn and strobe fails. The last one is sys-test. It will light up in yellow when the host starts self-check or single-point test. The network and the last 2 reserve keys are extended function keys. You can ignore them. There are 2 USB ports on the right side. You can use them to connect keyboard, mouse, and U-disk. Let's come to the keypads area introduction. There are 3 areas: figure keys, operation keys, and control keys. Let's see the figure keys first. You can input characters and figures by these keys. Please note these 3 special keys. Star key is used to activate the input box. 0 key is used to input space. Pound key is used to switch the input method. You can log in the system via pressing star key and inputting password with 8-digit number. Let's come to the operation keys area. Keyboard key is an unlock key with 4-digit password. After logging in the system, the panel will be unlocked and the keyboard key will turn green. Only when it lights up can the special function keys be operated. Enter key is for confirmation. Menu key is for selecting the menu. These 4 keys and tab key are for cursor moving and switching. Cancel key is for cancellation. Backspace key is for deleting wrong characters and sentences. You can use these shortcut keys to copy and paste. Now please have a look at the control keys area. The green check key can display all types and addresses of devices which are linked with controller, and it can also display the host native information. This orange reset key can eliminate all fire alarms and reset the system. The whole process lasts for 30 to 60 seconds. The yellow mute key can mute the buzzer of the host with high usage frequency. Manual control key allows to operate bus manual control panel, and it will light up in red when started successfully. Test key is a self-test key. It will light up all indicators lamps and see if everything works well. The buzzer will try a variety of voice modes. LCD screen will display this process. It will quit automatically after self-checking. Auto manual is a linkage key. It needs to be started when system links to external devices. It will light up in red when started successfully. H and S control key is a horn and strobe control key, which can stop the alarm voice of external devices. Disable key can disable fire alarm, feedback, and fault information. You can ignore reserve key and F1 to F7 because F1 to F7 are shortcut keys. They have been set up and cannot be changed. Let's come to the device linkage unit, key switch. Enable or disable key switch makes the linkage unit panel enabled or disabled. Auto or manual key switch. The device linkage unit will be set to automatic working status when you have selected auto. In this case, the related device linkage unit will be activated if a fire hazard happens, and manual control has the highest priority. When you have selected manual, the device linkage unit can only start manually while the system will alarm, but device linkage unit will not be activated automatically. Please note that the key switch just can influence the device linkage unit. Now let's move to the device linkage unit. Our system can connect 6 optional control points. Each point occupies one address code. It can also control the critical equipment such as draft fan, fire pump, etc. On condition that key switch in enable status, press start key can start the related devices which are connected with device linkage unit and light up the start indicator lamp. Press stop key can stop the related devices running. The FDBK indicator lamp will light up when the system receives an operation feedback signal from related devices. If you cancel the feedback, the FDBK indicator lamp will light off. Fault indicator lamp will light up when there is a failure. Let's come to the manual control panel. Manual control panel can control the terminal devices which are connected with the bus. It can control 12 devices totally which are connected with the bus. Each manual control point includes start and FDBK lamps. The indicator lamp can display the status of controlled modules. Please refer to the instruction about more specific system setting.